In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password in Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll down to access Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now it's time to select one of your apps. Enter your screen lock, and to delete your password, hit delete twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!